Okay. This first part is just an introduction to the class. I'm just giving details about myself. Welcome to Science and the Fourth Dimension. I am Oriz, the ordinary teacher. My specialty is maths and physics, and I teach both WAEC and Cambridge classes. At the Kwa International School of Excellence, Police Academy Junction, Gainesville, here in Liberia. Right? Today we're going to be doing the square root. This is part 2. We have done the part 1, and in part 1 we learned how to find two values for square roots easily. But now we're going to be getting the exact value without using calculators. Today's class is about getting the exact values. Okay. In the last class, we found two possible solutions for the square root. The big question is, how do we get the right number? So you follow these steps to get the exact values. Step 1. Multiply the first digit by the number after it. Let me give you an example. From the last class, we had a number like 6,084. We'll find the square root of that. And the possible values were 72 or 78. So how do we get the exact value? The first value for, the first digit for the possible values is 7. So the question is, which number comes after 7? It's 8. So I'll multiply 7 by 8, and I'm going to get 56. And the next thing is, for the number 6084, I'm going to take out the last two digits, that's 85. I've already cancelled that out already. You see, I strike that out. Remaining 60. So if 60 is greater than the product I just had now, it means that I'll take the bigger value. But if 60 is less than the product, I'm going to take what now? The smaller value. Well, as it is right now, 60 is bigger than 56. And because 60 is bigger than 56, I will take what now? 78 instead of 72. Right? 60 is greater than what now? Than 56. So I'm taking what now? 78. The exact value is 78, not 72. Right? Look at this other example. We had 3,249. The possible values we had 53 and 53 or 57 were the possible values. So the first digit is 5. Remember that. So I'm multiplying 5 by 6 to get 30. And always remember that what you're going to be doing is to relate it to the values after the first two. That's why we always strike the first two digits to the right out. We struck our 49, remaining 32. So 5 times 6 is giving us what now? 30. And since 32 is greater than what? Than 30. I'm sure you already know what the answer will be. I'm not going to take 53. I'll take what now? I'll take 57. If 32 is greater, I take the bigger value. If it's less, I take what now? The smaller value. Right? So 57 is going to be the correct value for this one. The exact value for that. The next example, I have 8837. The possible values we had were 94 or 96. So we'll do the same thing. It's going to be 9 times 10 this time. And 9 times 10 is going to give us what now? 9 times 10 is going to give us 90 as it were. So question is 90, 88 and 90, which is greater? 88 is less than 90. So I'm taking what now? The smaller value in this case. I'm going to take 94 instead of 96. Right? The exact value is 94. Good. Now you want to go over this again. Just pause and repeat this. You can rewind, and I've told you several times, repetition is key to what now? To mastery. Right? So we'll go further and see what other things we can do. So let's see what you have learned so far. What are the correct solutions to the following? I'm giving you the square root of 2209, square root of 5329, 3844, 7744, 1156. The possible solutions for each of them is 43 or 47, 73 or 77, 62 or 68, 82 or 88, and 34 or 36. So pause the video and then apply what you just learned and see what you're going to get, right? Here are the solutions. For the first one, the correct value is 47, the next one 73, the next 62, the next is 88, the last is 34. I'm sure you got it right. So I'll see you in the next class. Right? Bye. Yeah.